Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today we're gonna do the unboxing for this product. It's called microphone clip holder, microphone clip mount, which is very cheap, 3 ringgit, 62 ringgit, 62. And so this is the description and also some pictures. Okay, I will put the link below the video if you're interested to buy. So description. Okay, let's unboxing. So like this. Sorry, my hand's hurting. Clip. And there's a sponge here. And here's the screw. So let's try with the Bluetooth microphone here. So it goes like this. Alright, and to mount, here's the microphone stand. So just one two slide, it will be okay already. Microphone stand. So goes like this. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.